How to use OBS Studio for recording screen with audio for beginners. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can record screen with audio using OBS Studio if you are a beginner. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up OBS Studio in your device. After you open it up, navigate to the sources tab, and here you have to click on this plus icon. So here you have to select this display capture. You can name your display capture, and once you're done, click on OK. Here you can select the properties for your display capture. You can click on this drop down here and you can go with the automatic, and under display you have this capture cursor or force STR, so you can leave it as it is and then click on OK. After you have your display capture, and now you have to head over to the same tab and then click on plus, but this time you have to click on audio input capture, and here you can name your audio input capture. After that, click on OK. Now you will be asked to choose your device, so click on this drop down here and you have to choose your device for the audio. So you can go with your microphone, that is digital microphone or the headset microphone. So select one from there and then here click on OK. Now once you select your display capture and your audio capture, head over to the settings in your OBS Studio and then click on settings. On the settings, now head over to the output option, and here now you have the settings for your streaming. On the streaming, you can select your video bitrate, your audio bitrate, and there are more options for video encoder. You can click on this drop down and select your preferred settings. So under encoder preset, you can also click on this drop down and select your settings. Now under your recording, choose your recording path, your quality, and once you're done with adjusting all the settings here, all you have to do is click on OK. After that, click on start recording and you will be able to record your screen with audio using OBS Studio. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.